Joe Beermaster. Today we have a 2020 Hyundai Ioniq. I believe I'm saying that right. I'm going to show you how to take the tail light out to change the bulb or to change the assembly. First thing you want to do is flip these, open the hatch and flip these little covers over. And then inside there are two 10 millimeters. You can see there's one still here. You can either use a screwdriver or a 10 millimeter. So once you get those out with the 10 millimeter, it's very hard. So you want to try to wiggle as much as you can. But there's a little clip in here on the side that holds it in. So you kind of have to hold it with one hand here and kind of bang it like that until it wiggles out. And you just got to keep working it and working it. All right, so once you get the 10 millimeters out, you want to get this off. You pry this inner part out. We already have it loose. Pry it lightly with a screwdriver. And then to help get this out, you want to wedge a pry bar between here and there and then pull, put that little extra pressure on there. Good, hit it. Hit it with your hand. No, hit that with your hand like you're hitting it. All right, so now we got some pressure here with this bar. Okay, and it popped out. Now you might have to hit it harder to get it out, because I'm going to show you why. If you look carefully, we're taking the bumper off right now, but look carefully, there's this little slide here on the inside of the light, and there's the clip, and you have to get it off of that. So we're going to do the other side. We're going to get this bar again. We're going to put it in here and sort of use that as leverage, and then he's going to hit it. This one's in pretty tight. Keep working it. Now you want to hit that with your hand a little bit. You don't want to break it. You want to just do just enough not to break it, believe it or not. Keep wiggling it, and it will come out. Keep working that. You really don't want to put a screwdriver in like he's doing here. You kind of want to just keep working it with the pressure. Right there. Good. Eventually it pops out. All right. That's one of the hardest ones I ever had. So that's it. You basically put it back the same way. You can see it's got these little pins here to line up with them holes, and when you put it back, you want to slide that over there. Click it all back together in the reverse way. So the idea is to get these 10s out, take the cover out, then work the light out. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching.